Drawing with ChuChu. Hi, friends! Today, we are going to draw something special. Come on, let's start.
Okay!
Pick me, pick me, pick me, pick me! Thank you! Let's open this egg. Open. 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 Surprise! Yay! It's an umbrella. Yay! Come on, let's draw the umbrella. Let's first draw a semicircle for the umbrella's canopy. Now let's draw a line coming straight down the center. Now, let's draw curved lines on both sides. Now, let's draw a line going across the canopy's bottom. Now, let's draw the umbrella's top. Now, let's draw a rod. Now, let's draw the umbrella's handle. Now, let's color the umbrella. Do you know what umbrellas do? They protect us from getting wet in the rain and give us shade when it's sunny. Soon with new drawings.